Dear student, you know that right now I'm teaching you movement book. So in our previous lesson we were studying reading a new chapter that name was The Happy Prince. The story is so interesting and so sorrowful, painful. And you know that in this lesson I have completed many paragraphs. So today I am going to keep myself continue in the same lesson. I hope you will watch or listen my videos and try to learn, try to read this lesson very carefully. So let's begin this lesson, The Happy Prince. But the happy prince looked so sad. Today you have to watch from here. So now look, there was some disturbance and I am saying to all, sorry for that. But the happy prince looked so sad that the little swallow was sorry. जो हैप्पी प्रिंस था वो बहुत उदास था। यह देखकर छोटी अबाबिल पक्षी जो थी वो भी उदास हो गई। इट इज सॉरी, इट इज वेरी कोल्ड हियर, ही सेड, बट ही एग्रीड टू स्टे विथ हिम फॉर वन नाइट एंड बी हिज मैसेंजर। इट इज़ वेरी कोल्ड हियर, यहाँ बहुत ठंड है, उसने कहा। बट ही एग्रीड टू स्टे विथ हिम, बट ही एग्रीड टू स्टे विथ हिम फॉर वन नाइट एंड बी हिज मैसेंजर। लेकिन वह अबाबिल पक्षी एक रात निकलने के लिए तैयार हो गई, एक संदेशवाहक के रूप में। थैंक्स यू लिटिल स्वैलो, सेड द प्रिंस। हियर प्रिंस is saying, the little swallow, thank you. You know that why it's happened? It happens because of the help of the happy prince. So now the swallow picked out the great ruby from his prince's sword, from the prince's sword, and flew away with it in his beak over the roof of the town. You know that here, after giving the order of the prince, we cannot say order here, we can say request. So after requesting after requesting prince, the little swallow picked out, means hold out, get out, picked out the great ruby. You know that it a very precious and very precious stone, very costly stone, is a kind of stone that was fixed in the hand of the prince's sword. From there the swallow picked out the ruby and flew away with it in his beak, means in his mouth, and over the roof of the town. He passed by the cathedral tower where the white marble angels were sculptured, means he, means who he, here is he, swallow. Swallow was flying over the cathedral tower where white marbles, means a kind of stone, angels were sculptured. He passed by the palace and heard the sound of the dancing, means when Ababil was passing, he listened from the palace, you know, the place where kings live, and heard the dancing sound. A beautiful girl came out on the balcony with her lover. Here was a scene. A beautiful girl came out on the balcony with her lover. I hope my dress will be ready in time for the stale ball, she said. I have ordered flowers to be embroidered on it, but the seamstress are so lazy. Here is the scene different. Here is the beautiful girl come to the seamstress and say, I hope my dress will be ready. Means here beautiful girls was asking the question to the seamstress, have you prepared my dress? But she said, I have ordered flowers to be embroidered on it. Means the beautiful girls is saying that to the seamstress that I have ordered you to doing decoration of flowers on my dress. But here is the scene so different. What was the scene? The scene was seamstress was so lazy because of unhealthy unhealthy environment, or she was not well. In one line, he passed over the river and saw the lanterns hanging on the mats of the ship. At last he came to the poor woman's house and looked in. The boy was tossing feverishly on his bed, and the mother had fallen asleep. She was so tired. Now the scene was so different. When the ababil, means when the swallow was flying over the river, the swallow saw a lantern was hanging. Means a lantern was putting there on the mats of the ship. At last he came to the poor woman's house. Means Ababil was flying and come in the poor woman's house, and Ababil watched. The boy was tossing feverishly on his bed. Means the boy, whose boy, means son of the seamstress, was not good. And boy was looking so disturbed, looking so serious, and he was not well. And her mother was fallen asleep, means very tired and very hungry, tired and moneyless. He hoped and laid the great ruby on the table beside the woman's thimble. Means here swallow come and the big ruby means precious stone put on the table beside the lady. Then he flew gently around the bed, fanning the boy's forehead with his wings. How cool I feel, said the boy. I must be getting better, and sank into the delicious slumber. Here the little little son is saying that how cold air is coming on my head. I feel that I am getting well, and sure I will become very good, very healthy, wealthy very soon. And after that the boy had slept. Then the swallow flew back to the happy prince and told him that he had done. It is curious, he remarked, but I feel I quite warm now, although it is so cold. Here little swallow is saying to the happy prince, whatever you have saying me, I have completed my work. I am very curious, I am very enthusiastic. He is asking to the happy prince, should I go? And right now I am feeling very cold. That is because you have done a good action. Here is happy prince saying that you have done very good action, you have done very good job, that's why it's happening with you. And little swallow began to think that, then fell asleep. Thinking always made it sleepy. Now swallow had a bad habit. When he think anything, he gone to he gone to sleep. He he not gone to, it's a wrong sentence. uh, Swallow, when did swallow try to thinking anything, he felt sleepy. When day broke, he flew down to the river and had a bath. Tonight I get to Egypt, said the swallow, and he was in high spirit at the protest. Means here swallow was rigid to go the Egypt. He don't want to stay here. Next morning, swallow flew and go to the near the river and bath there, and now he don't want to stay here. He visited to the all the monuments and sat long time on the top of the church steeple. Means swallow after bathing, swallow wandering here and there, and at last moment he goes and sat on the top of the church. When the moon rose, he flew back to the happy prince. When the moon rose, he flew back to the happy prince. Have you any commissions for Egypt? He cried. I am just starting. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince, will you stay with me one night longer? I am waited for in visit, answered the swallow. When the swallow come back to the happy prince, and he asked to the prince, have you any commission for Egypt? Means do you want to any other work by me in Egypt? He cried, I am just starting, because I am going to Egypt with for my friends. Here once again the prince was requesting swallow, 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 little swallow, said the prince, will you stay with me one night longer? Means here prince is requesting to the swallow, would you want to stay here one night more? I am waiting for in Egypt, answered the swallow. Swallow is saying that he was waiting in Egypt. Swallow, swallow, till swallow, said the prince, far away across the city I see young man in a garret. He is learning over desk covered with paper, and in the glass by his side there is a bunch of withered violets. Here once again the prince was requesting for a new job, new work, new task. He is saying that from here a long distance I have seen a young man who was sitting on the roof, near the roof or ceiling, and he has seen many pages was scattered on his desk, and beside the desk there was a glass, and there was some flowers, and the flowers were not fresh, and the physical appearance was the person, his lip was like a pomegranate red, and his eyes was very hopeful or dreamful, and he is trying to finish a play for the director of the theater, but he is too cold to write anymore. There is no fire in the grate, and hunger has made him faint. Means the person who was sitting near the table was writing a new story, and he wants some more fire because he was feeling very cold, and he have to finish his play very soon. That's why he wants some help. Dear prince, said the swallow, I cannot do that, and he began to weep. Dear prince, said the swallow. Here swallow is saying to the prince, I cannot do that. I means the swallow refused deny for doing this work, and He began to weep. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince, do as I command you. Please, whatever I am saying you, please do that. So, next morning I will teach you the further paragraphs. Thank you. Have a good day.